Let's look at Chapter 8, Lesson 3, Practice. Zooming in on the number line. Fill in the missing numbers on the number line. Let's look at this. Between 8 and 60 hundredths to 8 and 61 hundredths, I'm adding 1 100th. So 8 and 61 100ths plus 1 100th would be 8 and 62 100ths. The next one would be 8 and 63 100ths. 8 and 64 is already there. 8 and 65, and so on. Let's look at the next set of directions. Write a number that is between the two numbers. There's going to be multiple different answers for this. So between 2 and 3, your numbers could be 2 and 1/10, all the way to 2 and 9/10. For 5/10 to 1, you can have 6/10 all the way to 9/10. For 1 and 1 1/2, you could have 1 and 1/10 all the way to 1 and 4/10. Between 10 and 3/10, you could have 10 and 1/10 all the way to 10 and 2/10. Between 8/10 and 9/10, you could have 81 hundredths all the way to 89 hundredths. Between 2 and 4/10 and 2 and 5/10, you could have 2 and 41 hundredths to 2 and 49 hundredths. For the test prep, we need to figure out what number is represented by point C. Explain your reasoning. So first off, I can tell that on the number line I have in between here littler dashes followed by bigger dashes. So let's count just the bigger dashes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know between 10 and 15 there's going to be 5 numbers. So I can know that it's going to be 11, 12, 13, and 14. Looking at this, the letter C falls in between 13 and 14. So I know that it's going to be 13 1/2 or 13 5/10. Make sure that you draw out this or you need to explain your reasoning.